Hello everyone. Today I'll be presenting about my sub-challenge, transparency in OpenAI. First, I wanted to ask you guys a question. Have you ever stopped to think about how your data is being used by AI? Let me know in the chat below. Well, OpenAI often fails to explain how they work or how they use personal data, creating a lack of transparency. This leaves users unsure and concerned about their privacy, increasing the risk of data misuse and making it hard to trust AI systems. For example, approximately 1.2 of ChatGPT Plus subscribers who were active during a 9-hour window on March 20th, 2023 had their data exposed. The breach included social security numbers, email addresses, names, phone numbers, job titles, employers, geographical locations, and even social media profiles. To explore deeper into this problem, I made a pestle analysis. OpenAI faces growing pressure to prioritize transparency across multiple areas. Governments and privacy laws demand clear data practices to avoid legal and financial consequences, while users increasingly value privacy and could shift to competitors if the trust erodes. Transparency about how AI works, data usage, and environmental impact could help address social, economic, and technological concerns while boosting OpenAI's reputation and compliance. Well, that was a lot to cover. So to summarize everything, the lack of transparency in how OpenAI and similar companies handle personal data is a serious issue, leaving users unsure about what happens behind the scenes. And now to address this, I've developed an independent certification process called ACT, the AI Certification of Transparency, to hold AI companies accountable and to rebuild trust. The first part of my solution is the certification. I had to make sure the certification requirements and certification process were built so that ACT is built around clear requirements and a step-by-step process to make sure AI companies are transparent and responsible. It checks how they handle data, explain their systems, and reduce bias. Companies that pass the process earn the ACT Trust Badge, showing users they are safe and trustworthy. But where will we promote this, and how will people know this brilliant solution exists? Well, on our website, of course. On our website, we make it easy to understand what we do, why it matters, and how we make a difference. Our homepage introduces the certification, explaining its purpose and its importance in creating a more transparent and trustworthy AI ecosystem. Visitors can explore sections about the problem we are addressing, the standards we've set, and the impact we aim to achieve. There's also a dedicated area for AI companies to learn how to apply for the certification and for users to identify which systems have earned the Trust Badge. We also have spaces where users like you can come and report AIs that they would like to be certified, and we also have provided various articles on our blog page. It's designed to be a one-stop destination for promoting transparency in AI. So this journey has been really eye-opening, starting with a simple question and growing into a mission to make AI more transparent and trustworthy. Creating the certification taught me the importance of accountability in technology and how meaningful change begins with small determined steps. I'm so proud of how far this idea has come, and I'm so excited to see its impact on shaping a safer AI future. Before ending this presentation, I would like to give some safety tips when using AI according to Eliasism from Chatbase. Be cautious about revealing confidential details like credit card numbers, legal issues, and medical conditions with ChatGPT even if prompted. This data could be exposed in a breach. Go into account settings and disable any options for OpenAI to use your usage data for model training wherever possible. Closely inspect any generated text, code, or images for AI systems to check for offensive material, misinformation, or intellectual property issues before copying it elsewhere. And finally, if any AI interaction provides recommendations that seem dangerous, illegal, or unethical, document the incident and contact OpenAI support immediately. These are all of my references. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. You can scan this QR code to view my certification process and requirements, as well as my research and website, and I'll also put it in the chat below.